Sultry tunes fill the airwaves, quick hooks, easy charm, but it's all just noise to me. Art's been traded for convenience, lost in audience expectations. Music plays, but all I hear is silence. If not now, then when do we speak? Everything's been eroded without knowing. I was the one who killed my own sensitivity. Can joy survive untouched like that? Maybe it's time to stop. Just stop. Sound is a tool, a language in its own right. What do you really want to say? What voice comes from your soul? Forget being understood. The truest things are the ones no one's asking for. Jagged, mismatched communication, that's what makes us human. 'Cause if not now, then when do we speak? Everything's been eroded without knowing. I murdered my own sensitivity. Can love grow in that kind of silence? Maybe it's time to stop. Just stop. Turn the sound off. Shut the screen. Climb into the mountains where the signals die, and listen to your breath like it's the first language you ever knew. If not now, then when do we speak? Everything's been eroded, but if we reclaim our senses, the place we'll end up has always been love. So maybe it's time to stop. Just stop. Time races forward, but some things should never change.